With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if limit n tends to infinity, sigma r equals to what? 1 to 2n, given to me term as what? 3r square divided by n cube, and the product of what? E having the power of r cube by n cube equals to what? E having the power of a minus e having the power of what? B. Then we have to find the value of what? A plus b equals to. Okay, so first of all, I can write here that this is what my solution part here, right? So I can write here first of all, what is the this function given to me? This function is given to me as what? Limit n tends to basically what? Infinity. Okay, and here I have what? Sigma r equals what? 1 to 2n, right? The values of r from 1 to 2n varies, and this function is what? Basically 3 r square divided by what? N cube, and here I have what? Exponential function with having the power of what? Having the power of basically r cube, and divide by what? N cube. Okay, so after this, first of all, we know that whenever we put the value of what, whenever we are given the terms in terms of what? R by n. Okay, whenever it's given to me that limit, okay, limit n tends to limit something n tends to, and here the function is what? R by n. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to change this function into what? Integration somehow. Okay, and there's a property or general case we can say which says that here if my function is given to me as what? Limit, okay guys, n tends to infinity. Okay, and here I have sigma where r varies from what? A value to what? B value. This is a general function here. I have a general property I can say, and function is given to me in the terms of what? R by n, right? R by n, and is the product of what? 1 by n. This is always equal, so in the term of integration, this is always equal to lower limit will be what? Lower limit will be limit, okay, n tends to infinity, n tends to what? Infinity, a by n. Okay, so just remember here, this is what? A by n here I have, and higher limit will be what? Higher limit will be limit n tends to infinity, and here I have b by n. Okay, no confusion, b by n here I have, and this part is what? This part is basically f x ds, function in terms of what? X. This is the general case or general property here I have for this function. So let me highlight this part here. So this is what here the general case one should remember here. In this given question here I have, you guys can notice one thing. What is the a value here and what is the b value here? So we can see that a is what 1 and b is what 2n. So I can write here that a is basically what 1 here I have, and b is what basically what 2n here I have. And also I can know one thing here. This function also says that this x is what basically this x is equals to basically r by n. Okay, so now what I'll do, if I have to change this function into what? Integration somehow, so this can be done as what? Okay, so guys, now this can be done as what? This function limit n tends to infinity, 3 times of what? 3 limit n tends to infinity, n tends to what? Infinity. Why I've written 3 here? Okay guys, look here, I can sense here that this 3 is what? 3 is a constant part here, so I can remove the constant on the LHS side first of all. So this is what? Now sigma r equals what? 1 to what? 2n, and now I can write here that 1 by n. I can write here 1 by n separately, so this will become what? 1 by n here separately, and after this the rest function is what? So rest function is basically r square by n square we are left with. So r square by n square can be written as what? R by n whole square, right? And exponential function is what? Exponential function is basically having the power of what? R by n. R cube by n cube can be written as what? R by n whole cube. So now from this function I can clearly see that what is this part? This part is basically what? My function in terms of what? R by n value. Okay guys, and this is what? By 1 by n value, which already know. 1 by n value we already know, and this part is what here? After it, if what I have to do, I have to find the limits values. Here I have to find lower limits and upper limit value. So first of all, lower limit value, if I have to find here my lower limit value, okay, so this will be what? This will be limit, as you can see, n tends to what? Infinity, and here I have what? 8 by n. So a by n, what is the value of a? So basically a is what? 1, so this will be 1 by n, and if I put the value of n as infinite here, so this will be what? 0. So my lower limit will be basically 0, and after this, if I have to find the upper limit, okay guys, so upper limit will be what? This will be basically equals to limit n tends to infinity I have, so limit, this is also what my limit here I have, so limit n tends to infinity. Okay, what is the value of b? So b is 2n, so this will be what? 2n by n. Okay, and then cancel out values. This value is basically what? Equals to 2. So this is what here 2 I have. So now I have upper limit value and lower limit value. Can I find the integration value of this function here now? Exactly. So this will become what? Here I have constant part here also I have, so I can say that here integration limit from integration 0 to what? 2 here. Okay, so the question says that I have to find the what? Fx dx. So what is the x here? X is basically f rn, r by n basically. So I can write here, this is what here, r by n is what? X here. So x whole square. Okay, and this is what? E to the power x cube, right? E to the power x cube here I have, and here this is a constant also what? 3 here. Don't forget to write this one part. So 3 here, and this is what? Dx here I have. Now I have to find the integration of this part here. Okay, 0 to what? 2, 3 x square e to the power x cube dx. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little substitution here. So let's suppose what my e to the power x cube, e to the power what? X cube as what? T. Okay, so if I differentiate both sides with respect to what? x here, so this will become what? This will become e to the power x cube, right? And this is dot 3 x square dot 3 x square dx equals what? dt. Now you guys can see this part clearly is equals to what? This one part here I have, right? So I can say that this limit will become what now? This limit will be basically equals to integration. Here can be done as what? dt here. So this will become what here? dt directly, d. And now integration of this will be what? This will be basically t here. So t here I have, and the limits will remain same as it is for this one, because this is what only tt here we are left with only. So this will become same as it is. So we have put the value of t as here ex to the power x cube. So ex having the power of what cube. Now limits will, we put the limits here 0 to what? 2 here. So this will become what? This will become e to the power x cube will become what? E to the power 2 what cube minus e to the power 0 cube, which will eventually come out as what? This will come out as e to the power 8 minus of what? E to the power 0. Now question says that the basically also the given solution is what? In terms of what? E to the power a minus b, and we have to find the value of what? E to the power a plus b. So it is also equals to e to the power a minus e to the power b. So we can say that here ab. So a and b. So a is basically what? 8 and b is basically what? 0. So what is the value of a plus b? So a plus b value is basically 8 plus 0. So from this I can say that a plus b equals to what? 8. So this is the answer we are what? Looking for. So a plus b value is basically what? 8. Now if I go to the top, I can say that the value we are going to receive for a plus b here is what? Basically 8 value. Okay guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.